the Love of Art Festival here at Ali Mall. Tonight, we embark on a journey of creativity, inspiration, and profound beauty.
Once na mag-create ka ng paintings, kahit gaano pa siya kaganda, kailangan mo siyang i-let go. Yung painting kasi symbolizes siya ng identity mo as an artist. So yung tao na makaka-appreciate ng painting mo, meron ka ng bond ng identity mo sa kanya.
Exactly. Parang may connection na talaga siya, kaya hindi na ako tumigil. Talagang nakuha na niya talaga yung parang puso ko ba. Dire-diretso na yung titig ko sa kanya hanggang sa pinag-aaralan ko siya.
Alam namin na itong linggong ito, usually nilalaan natin sa oras para sa pamilya natin, no? Pero this time, you are here to witness the creative and the artistic creations of our artists and creatives.
What I like about lotus flower is that it grows from the mud, dirty areas, and it travels following the light. And when it emerges in the water, it blooms untainted. So I wanted to remind people that regardless of the dark moments you go through life, you can parang emerge beautifully, untainted, and always pure.
I am just happy to see similar people and new people here, new artists. Gusto ko lang sabihin that itong ginagawa namin is not only for money. This is our passion, our bliss, and this is what makes us happy.
Kasi naniniwala ako na bawat tao may kanya-kanyang kwento. Bawat tao may kanya-kanyang storya.
Nararamdaman ko yung purpose natin sa mundo na dahilan ba tayo nabubuhay. Yun yung laging nagpapatuloy sa akin sa paggawa ng art. Kasi hindi ako nabuboring, masaya ako sa ginagawa ko.
Our artworks, yung mga pinoproduce namin are powerful to actually influence other people around. So there are people that caters on a mother and child things. As for me, I think I cater for those people who learn to acknowledge yung dark moments na pinagdadaanan nila sa buhay. And which is also one thing I'm working on myself. It's more of self-love, self-discovery. Kasi parang enable to love other people, kailangan mag-start siya within you. Kailangan mahal mo muna yung sarili mo bago mo ma-share yung love sa ibang tao.
We at Nativity Studios have been very supportive of events like this. Everything that we can do to help and support our local artists, like sharing their page, following their page, referring them sa mga friends, and even buying artworks sa exhibit like this, malaking tulong na yun sa kanila. So having a community like this supporting our local artists and creatives is very important.
We would like to invite everyone to come and visit the Love of Art Festival.
It's a kind of an art exhibition which is organized by Cuarto Arts and Crafts.
To experience the diverse arts
here in Ali Mall, MacArthur Activity Area in Araneta City, Quezon City. This event will run until
February 16 to February 28.
So let's go and enjoy arts here in Ali Mall.
Please like and follow our social media pages for more upcoming events.
Congratulations again and mabuhay ang manlilikhang Pinoy.